I'm going to be doing some Rubik's Cube magic today. The first magic is going to be 12 moves repeated the same time. If you know the 12 moves, keep it in the comments down below. Let's start. I'll be doing the move and no cheating. That was the first one, and the second magic I'm going to be showing you is the one that will involve M moves and E moves. M prime, E prime, 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 M prime, and E prime. I did the same moves 12 times and it became solved to solve. Bye!